In this video, I will show you how to add a pop-up to Google Sites. Visit elfsite.com, a tool that provides customizable widget for websites. It offers a wide variety of widgets and pop-up is one of their best. Once on the site, complete the sign-up procedure and then log into your account. Navigate to the catalog page. Look for the widget called Pop-up Bestseller. Choose a template that fits your needs, like one with WhatsApp button or announcement. Click on Continue with this template. Adjust colors, text, and layout to match your site's design. This steps lets you fully personalize the pop-up so it aligns with your brand. After customizing, click Publish. If you are on a budget, select Elf Site's free plan option. Now, click on Copy Code. This copies HTML embed code needed to add it to your Google site. Open the page where you want the pop-up to appear. Click Insert, then Embed. Choose the Embed Code tab. Paste the code you copied from Elf site. Click Next, then Insert to add it to your page. Now you have successfully added a pop-up to your Google Sites page. This features is perfect for things like chat support, announcements, promotions. If this video helped, like, share and subscribe.